Hi everyone! Today I'm creating a Halloween costume for my son using reverse tie-dye, also known as bleach painting. Here's what you'll need: water, bleach, hydrogen peroxide, paintbrush, spray bottle, cardboard, black clothing. I'm using a sweatshirt and sweatpants. For the bleach solution, mix 1 cup of water with 1/4 cup of bleach. For the hydrogen peroxide solution, mix 1 cup of water with 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide. Pour the hydrogen peroxide solution into a spray bottle. This will stop the bleach from continuing to react with the fabric. Prepare the clothing. Insert a piece of cardboard inside the clothing to keep the fabric flat and to prevent the bleach from seeping through to the other side. I didn't film this part, but here's what I did. I used a large piece of cardboard, placed the garment on it, traced the shape with a permanent marker, making the outline slightly larger than the garment, and cut it out. For the sweatshirt, I used 3 pieces of cardboard, 1 for the torso and 1 for each arm. Trace the design. I used an app called Vinci Eye, Art Projector, to trace a skeleton design onto the clothing. This made the process quick and easy. I traced the design in sections, starting with the torso, then the arms, adjusted for my son's proportions, and finally the legs. I made the bones slightly thicker for a more striking look. The layout may not be perfectly anatomical, but it's a costume, and it turned out great. Apply the bleach. Dip the paintbrush into the bleach solution and paint the areas where you want to lighten the fabric. I applied a few layers to attempt to achieve an even look, but the texture gave it a nice, worn effect that's perfect for Halloween. Let the bleach sit for a while to achieve the desired brightness. Then, spray the garment with the hydrogen peroxide solution to stop the bleach reaction. It's recommended to hand wash and air dry the garment, but I opted for a quick wash in the machine and a short cycle in the dryer with just the bleached items, which worked out fine. Here's the final result on my son. I think it turned out just right. Let me know in the comments if you think it looks good and if you'd try this out yourself.